As an affiliate marketer, you and I know so well that the fastest way to drive free traffic to your website or offers is to post the right content on the popular user-generated content websites. However, this isn't something you'll be able to do without the right knowledge and expertise. The product I am going to review today is a groundbreaking product that disputes being freshly released into the market. It has been receiving high prices from both users and experts. It's called Storm. So in this review, I will show you everything about Storm. I will take you inside the members area, the sales page, the pros, the cons, the features, the bonuses, the price, and my honest review at the end of this video. So stick around. So first, what is Storm? Storm is a brand new software product that is designed to help you obtain free traffic from one of the world's largest social networks in the fastest possible time frame. It's allowing of the street newbies to get paid $25, $15 over and over. So Storm is a web application compatible with both Mac and PC that leverage one-click monetization and copy and paste technology to stuff our account with $25, $15 payment every 5 minutes, all in just 3 steps. Step number 1, you must grab your copy of Storm where the price is still low. Step number 2, press a few buttons inside to activate Storm and start exploiting. And step number 3, receive $25, $15 payment to your PayPal or directly to your bank account. All it takes is 5 minutes to set everything up. This isn't going to take you much of your time. In fact, it's only take us 5 minutes to configure everything up. So even if you are busy as a bee, you can do this too. Once you set up Storm app, simply activate it, and after that they start copying and pasting to get paid, which easy and simple steps you must do. So here in the sales page, this is $39 billion breakthrough pays us for copying and pasting. What if you could pocket $25, $15 every 5 minutes for copying and pasting? No selling, no extra expenses, no BS. We're enjoying PayPal Cash on command. We've made over $200,000 with Storm, just one click for us to start receiving profit. 1,000 of users are making money, even fresh off the street beginners are profiting. Get paid $250 if you don't make money with Storm, 180-day money back guarantee. This is a free iPhone 13 giveaway for the first 150 buyers of Storm. And if you scroll down on the sales page, you will see the sales page, like all sales pages out there, talk about the advantage of Storm and how you can use it. Now let's take a look inside Storm. So this is the members area. Here the VIP training. You have 7 videos training. It shows you everything about Storm and how you can use it, of course. Here the blog builder, the pin engine, the profile, the upgrade, the support, and the logout. So in the VIP training, here you can find your bonuses. After, let's click at Blog Builder. Like you see, this is blogs done for you by Storm. Don't need to think about the hosting or the domain name because this done for you templates having everything you need to start making money. Also, you can configure your domain name by clicking at this button, step number 1. And of course, you can edit any blog here or you can delete it. Now click at Pin Engine. So basically, this is a Pinterest automated software. Here you can build an engaging pins in just a few clicks. Here you can search for any idea you want by just typing your keyword. So first, click at Create Campaign. After, name your campaign. And here put any keyword you want or you target. For example, food. Also, you can filter the results by click at the most saves or the most repins. After, you can add any pin you want here to your inspiration to creating your own pin. After, click at next. Like you see, the software gives us the recommended pin size. So click at create. Here you have everything you need to create an engaging and profitable pins. So you have the basics, the text, the drawing, the filters, the shapes, and the stickers. Also, there is done for you templates you can use. So take your time, and creating beautiful and engaging pins can make you more money. And when you finish, click at create post. So here you have the campaign names, the title, what your pin is about. Here you can put your destination link, and here you have the image you already create. So here in the description, you must create an attaching description express what your pin is about. After, try to create a title full of keywords. And if you scroll down, you will see this schedule pins. You can schedule your pins when you want it to post. Also, you can choose how much you want this pin to repins. And after, choose your account, the account you link with the Storm, and after, click at create campaign. How simple is that? Besides, you will have a full training of 7 videos, shows you everything you need to know. Now let's see the bonuses. So you will get 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1, Storm Drive. This app gives you unlimited cloud hosting for free. No longer will you have to be held hostage by Google or Dropbox and give them hundreds every year. The second bonus is Storm Send. Tired of paying monthly fees for autoresponders? Then don't with Storm Send. You get to send unlimited emails to your subscribers for free with this bonus. And bonus number 3, Storm Funnels. Another great tool made by Storm development team. This serves as a free replacement to your funnel builder, allowing you to save thousands of dollars yearly. And bonus number 4, YouTube Mission. YouTube Mission, most complete marketing solution for YouTube ever created. And bonus number 5, Facebook Mission. Facebook Mission is a social media marketing tool that allows you and helps you to easily auto post, schedule Instagram posts along with Facebook, Twitter and many more. It also can manage multiple social networks, schedule posts, increase your traffic and engage with your audience. So here is everything you will get when you purchase Storm today. Storm brand new system, free build and traffic, one-click monetization, copy and paste technology, step-by-step training videos, and all the bonuses I already mentioned before. Total value of all this is $7,000, $817. You can get it today for only $17, one-time pay, no monthly fees. Besides, you will have 180 days money-back guarantee if you face a problem or you don't like the product. I think with all these informations I provide with this review, hopefully you will get sufficient and useful information. If you are interested in purchasing this product, do not hesitate, because this product comes with 180 days money back guarantee policy, so that you can always ask for a full refund with 180 days if you have any problem with your purchase. So guys, I tried this software for a week ago and find it very powerful. The software creates a full website for your hosting and by domain name also gives you a software automation. You can create pins and repins every time you want to dominate the Pinterest marketing. All this for just $17, one-time pay, no monthly fees. The final word, don't miss out. This offer is an opportunity to save costs and get lifetime access to premium tools that you can use to grow your business and your profit. If you want Storm, the link in the description below. And of course, if you see this video helpful, give it a like, smash that subscribe button and see you in the next video.